Okay, there are some sorry. Let us see differences between local variable and global variable. There are certain differences. Okay, if there are no differences, why do we need to create two variables? Yes, right. Okay,
Yes.
there are some differences that is why we differentiated it as local variable and global variable. Yes, right.
Yes,
So
sir.
when it comes to local variable is declared directly. Local variable is declared inside any method or block. Yes, right.
Block. Yes, sir.
Global variable is declared directly inside the class. This is the first difference. Is that clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
First
Yes,
difference
sir.
is that, okay, local variable is declared inside any method or any block. Okay, global variable is declared directly inside the class. This is the first difference. Are you clear with first difference?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, so we have second difference wherein global variable can be accessed throughout the class. Local variable cannot be accessed throughout the class. It can be accessed only inside that particular method or block. I'll explain you it practically. Okay, if you see here, let us let us take this class. Okay, I'll take a variable wherein I'll name it as static. Static is a keyword and it must be in small letters. Okay, static, I'll say int a. So this is a this is a global variable. It's right.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
So I can access global variable anywhere I want. I can access this global variable in the main method also. I'll try to print, okay, the default value of int is 0. 0 will be printed. So, so global variable can be accessed anywhere in the class. Is that clear?
Yes,
When
sir.
I
Yes, sir.
create a, but when I create a local variable, I cannot access wherever I want. Okay, if I create another method called test method, if I try to want to access this b, I cannot access b because it is b is a local variable of main method. Are you able to understand? It is already showing me the error. If I try to run it, okay, compile time will error will get.
Sir, formal argument, sir.
I didn't call test method, right? Yeah. So it will throw me the compiler time. Am I getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So b is not there. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So global variable can be accessed anywhere in the class, but when it comes to local variable, it can be accessed in that particular method or block in which it is created. Is that clear? For example, here k is equal to 98. A variable is declared and initialized. I cannot make use of this k in this static block. I cannot make use of this k in this main method. I can only make use this k in the static block only. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, are you clear with the second difference? Okay, global variable can be used anywhere in the class, can be accessed anywhere in the class. But when it comes to local variable, it can be accessed within particular method or block in which it is created. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have that difference. Uh, we have another difference. Okay. See, if I want to make use of local variable, it must be initialized.
Yes.
If I want to make use of local variable, it must be initialized. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, see, I'll create a local variable p. Okay, I just declared it. I didn't initialize it. Here I have a global variable. Okay, I just declared it. I didn't initialize it. Okay, so
Yes,
I
sir.
declared the variables. I didn't initialize the variables. If I want to use these variables, okay, I can use, but I can only make use of global variable. I cannot make use of local variable. So if I want to use local variable must be initialized. Without initialization, I cannot make use of local variable. Are you able to understand? If I try to print B, it will throw me the compiler time because B is not initialized. Local variable must be initialized if you want to use it. Without
Yes, sir.
initialization, you cannot make use of local variable. You cannot use local variable. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But when it comes to global variable can be used without initialization because they have default values. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 0 will be printed. Okay, when I try to print B, okay, I'm getting the error because B is a local variable. When you are using local variable, it must be initialized. When you are using global variable, initialization is not mandatory.
Because it has default.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear with these 3 points?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kola, are you clear with this? Okay, just because I told you everything.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear with these points?
Yes, sir.